Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your camera is not connecting into your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If WhatsApp is showing something like this when you open your camera, you don't have to do much, you just simply have to give permission of your camera to WhatsApp. Now in order to do that, just simply click into this setting button into here, and after clicking into settings, it will lead you to the app information setting of WhatsApp. Now into here you have to go into permissions, and in permission just simply open this toggle for camera, and after opening that, go back to WhatsApp and you can easily use your camera in there. By following these very easy steps, you can easily use your camera into your WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.